How to deactivate your Snapchat account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account within the Snapchat app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Snapchat app, then select your profile icon in the top left to open up your profile on Snapchat. From there, select the gear in the top right to open the settings. Once the settings open, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the My Account section and select Delete Account. This will load the web browser with inside Snapchat. And as you can see here, deleting your account is actually a deactivation for 30 days. And then if you don't reactivate your account by simply logging back into your account will be deleted. So we can deactivate our account temporarily for 30 days. And if we log in anytime within 30 days, our account will be reactivated and not deleted. So if you want to deactivate your account, all you need to do is go to this page, enter your username, your password, select continue, and then confirm one more time that you do indeed want to deactivate your account, and then your Snapchat account will be deactivated for 30 days. After 30 days, your account will be deleted, so all you need to do is simply log back into your Snapchat account within 30 days, and then you will have reactivated your Snapchat account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.